Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel 9 tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create custom 404 page. Right, so we actually discussed about how route is working, how controller models, and we have created lots of videos on this topic. But now if I just going to any wrong URL, suppose anything random URL, and Laravel by default showing 404 not found. So how we can override this page, or if I want to create our custom beautiful 404 page, then how we can do this? Okay, so that is simple. So this is the small video, and for custom 404 page I just created HTML file, that is 404 HTML for my own. So this is my 404 page. So just open in the same browser. So this is my 404 page. I want to replace this 404 page into this, right? So there will have a nice back button, and this is a simple text, so you can customize as your own, right? So these simple things. Now how to override or how to implement this page into here. So basically in Laravel we have a Laravel application. Inside the Laravel application we have a resource views folder. So all the views basically coming from views folder, and to override this page, simply inside the views folder we just need to create another folder. The name of the folder will be errors, okay, and inside these errors simply just create 404.blade.php. so this should be the same name, there is a 404.blade.php, and write some random things. And if I just going to refresh this, so these are coming. That means if I am going to create some design, or if I going to customize our 404 page, so this is the page where we can create this. So simply just go to the text editor, and I just created these things. So this is the 404 page design as we implemented. So simply just replace this page, and now let's go to here, and we can see 404 page is here, right? So simply just go here, and this is a common page, and if you create any routes which are already registered, that will open no problem. And if any link not registered, suppose unknown, so this is unknown to my application, that time the 404 page appearing. So this is my custom 404 page. You can create any design, basically 404.blade.php, the file where actually you need to modify, right? So this is the simple style actually I created for my page, and this simple title as 404 HTML, this is actually coming here, and the simple text we have written. Now if I just click on the back to home page, it will not redirect it to anywhere. So simply we can redirect to anywhere. So simply just go to the our home URL. So simply write URL and just add the slash. So simply refresh, and if you click on this back to home page, it will redirect to this page. So you can specify your home page, no problem on that. So this is the little video and a tricky concept, so you need to implement in your application. So by using this method we can create this. So simply just remember, inside the resource views we have errors folder, and inside this we need to create a 404.blade.php. okay, so that's simple. So please write any comments if you have any queries about this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. And next day we are going to discuss about another important topic, that is the helper functions, right? So how actually helper is working in Laravel, and what is the benefit of that things. So we'll discuss about that things in our upcoming video. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.